बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ पे इफ़ी के लिए आना। ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण फिल्म फेस्टिवल बनता जा रहा है पूरे दुनिया में। हर साल ये और मतलब मशहूर होने लगा है दुनिया भर में, और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि मुझे इस बार आने का मौका मिला एक फ़िल्म के साथ, जो मेरी फ़िल्म है जिसका नाम है हिसाब बराबर। वो आज प्रीमियर हो रहा है, तो मैं बहुत नर्वस हूँ, खुश हूँ। और हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब के लिए हम चाहते हैं कि दुआ मांगें, क्योंकि वो एक बहुत नाजुक और बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट दौर से गुजर रहे हैं। उसके अलावा हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि सबको पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी। थैंक यू। अभी मैंने बताया कि ये मशहूर होता जा रहा है हर साल, और ये आपके लिए हम फिर दोहरा देते हैं, या फिर अपने दोस्त से ले लीजिए वीडियो। थैंक यू। Actually, after this year, I hope they will forgive me, because there's too much work coming out in 2025. About 3 films in Tamil itself, and then about 3 or 4 in Hindi, and so I've got a big lineup for the next 2 years. All your complaints will be taken care of. Thank you for the love, though. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys.
So how do you feel about the IFFI?
Very excited. Truly an honor to be on the 55th anniversary of IFFI and this beautiful red carpet. Very humbled that they've given us the platform to showcase one of the most important films of our careers, Hisab Barabar. It's such an honor working with Maddie, with Kirti, Ashwani sir, who's unfortunately not with us today, but looking forward to the audience reacting to Mickey Mehta with Hisab Barabar.
Any message to the new aspiring filmmakers and actors or actresses?
Well, I think just keep dreaming and never let budgets or other decision factors curb your vision. I think it's very important to let your wings open up and fly, and think beyond what you think works. Don't follow trends. Create a trend. Be a trendsetter.
Thank you.
You became a pan actor working in multiple languages. You
Yeah.
worked in Saho, in Telugu,
Right.
in Tamil films as well.
Kathi, Saho, Kavacham. I'm doing a film called Mayavan right now as well.
Yeah, another
Right.
question is that any exciting work coming up in
Yes,
Tamil?
I'm looking forward to Mayavan. Mayavan is a pan-India film again, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil. It's directed by C.V. Kumar sir, and this is the second installment of Mayavan Part 1 with Sandeep Kishan. It's action, sci-fi, thriller, very exciting. Looking forward to that.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God
Thank you,
bless.
sir.
Thanks.
Thank you.